So today we are going to study reactions, children, in the form of part 2. Okay, first reaction. What is the first reaction? Zinc plus lead nitrate. Zinc plus lead nitrate gives zinc nitrate and lead. How to write such reaction? Zinc means Zn, lead nitrate means Pb plus 2, NO3 minus 1. We know, children. So 1 comes here, 2 goes there. So what is the formula of lead nitrate, children? PbNO3 taken twice gives zinc nitrate, ZnNO3 taken twice. Why? Because zinc is plus 2, 2 comes here, minus 1 once goes there, plus P. Okay. Two nitrate ions are there, children. Two nitrate ions, one Pb, one zinc, one zinc. Everything is balanced. You have to write balanced reactions, children. Compulsory. That is rule. Second reaction, children. Aluminium bromide plus chlorine gives. Aluminium bromide gives aluminium chloride plus bromine. Okay, right in the form of reaction. So aluminium bromide means Al, Br3, children. You no need to put Br brackets, children. Why? Means Br is the same element, no? So no need to put brackets. Okay. So Al Br3, because Al is plus 3 and Br is minus 1. Al Br3 plus chlorine. Chlorine means Cl2. Displacement reaction will occur, children. AlCl3 plus Br. AlCl3 plus Br. Okay, children, put here 2. 2 3 are 6. Here you put 3. And 3 bromines are there, children. 3 bromines. And 2 aluminiums are there, children. 2 3 are 6 bromines. No, so put here 6 bromines, children. This is how you have to add the reaction. One more reaction, those who did not understand, children, one more reaction. Sodium phosphate, children, sodium phosphate, I'm writing word reaction, plus sodium phosphate plus calcium chloride. I have given, you can check, all of you can check in your WhatsApp, children, gives calcium phosphate and sodium chloride. Calcium phosphate and sodium chloride. So children, sodium phosphate is Na is plus 1, PO4 is minus 3. 3 comes here, 1 goes there, children. So what is the formula of sodium phosphate? Na3 PO4 plus calcium chloride, CaCl2. Because plus 2, no, plus 2 here, minus 1 here, children. Calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 taken twice plus sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride is what, children? NaCl. Okay, children, sodium chloride is NaCl. Hope you are able to understand. So children, phosphates are how many are there? 2 are there. So put here 2, children. 2 3 are 6 nitrogens are there. 6 sodiums or 6 sodiums. Chlorines how many are there, children? 6. So put here 3. 3 calciums are there. 3 calciums. Hence it is balanced. Sodium phosphate. Okay, calcium phosphate. Why I am writing like this means Ca is plus 2. PO4 is minus 3. 3 comes here. 2 goes there. So 3 3 PO4 take it twice. Okay, children, writing reactions are very, very important. If you don't learn now, children, in the future, you have to suffer a lot. Okay, already in 8th class and 9th class and 7th class, 6th class, you did not write much reactions. In 10th class, so many reactions will be there. If you don't practice the reactions now, it will become difficult. Compulsory, without reaction, I will not give any marks to any question. Okay, next one. Keep copying with me, children. Those who can do on their own, they can do and check, children. What I am doing and what you are doing is correct. Potassium chloride, KClO3. Potassium chloride gives potassium chloride plus oxygen gas. Okay, children. So here you put 2, children, 2 potassiums, 2 chlorines, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, children. What is the next one? Fifth one. Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid. Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid gives what? Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid gives aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas. I am writing word equation. Now we write reaction. Aluminium plus hydrochloric acid, Al plus HCl. Metal plus acid always liberate hydrogen gas, children. So aluminium chloride, salt compulsory, salt plus hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, base plus acid, salt plus water, no. Metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas, children. So put here 2, children. Here also you put 2, children, and 2 3 are 6. Here you put 6 3 hydrogens. Okay, now like the balancing also you should learn along with this only. Calcium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid. Yesterday I gave a phosphoric acid formula. I hope any one of you remember. Calcium phosphate and water. Any one of you remember what is the phosphoric acid formula, children? Calcium hydroxide means CaOH taken twice. Phosphoric acid means
H3PO4
gives salt and water. What is the salt formula, children? Calcium phosphate. Ca3PO4 taken twice plus H2O. Okay, children. So how many phosphate ions are there? Two here. Put here two, children. And how many phosphorus are there? Two, children. Balanced phosphates are two, children, and two phosphates. Calcium three, three calciums, children. Hydrogen you have to six. Three twos are six. Three twos are six. 12. So put here six. It will be balanced. Compulsory you have to write balanced reactions. You please practice the reactions. Cations and anions, if you know perfectly, you can write all reactions. Cations and anions are very much important. That's why I'm doing so many reactions. Okay. Hope everyone copied this one also. Next, seventh one worksheet in which I gave you is there. Copper plus sulfuric acid. Copper plus sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid gives a copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. Copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. So children, copper plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives copper sulfate, a salt. Copper sulfate is a salt. Sulfur dioxide is a gas, and water is product. Okay, check the reaction balanced or not, children. One copper, two sulfurs are there. Put here two sulfurs. Now four hydrogens are coming. Two hydrogens, so put here two. Oxygens balanced. Two fours are eight. Four, two, six, seven, eight balanced. Next one. Next reaction. Hope everyone is seeing. Hydrogen plus nitrogen. Hydrogen plus nitrogen monoxide yields water plus nitrogen. Hydrogen plus a nitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen monoxide gives what they said, yields water plus nitrogen. Yields water plus nitrogen. Everyone are checking how I'm writing reactions. Okay, hydrogen plus nitrogen monoxide means NO. Nitrogen monoxide. Mono means one. Okay, water plus nitrogen gas. Okay, so nitrogen two are there. So put here two, children, and two oxygens. So put here two oxygens. Hydrogens are four. So put here two, balance. Go for the next worksheet. What I have given. Second worksheet, all of you go to. Iron plus sulfur is there, no, that reaction. All of you go through. So next one, all of you please copy down, children. Hope you, all of you are copy. Always write balanced reactions. Always write balanced reactions. And third worksheet which I sent is homework for you, all of you. Okay. Now iron plus sulfur gives iron plus sulfur. Iron plus sulfur gives what did he say? Iron sulfide. Iron sulfide. Please check here. Iron sulfide. Iron is Fe, sulfur is S, gives FeS because Fe is plus 2, S is minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancel is balanced. Okay, iron and sulfur, iron sulfide. Hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Hydrogen gas and chlorine gas gives hydrochloric acid. All of you are seeing, I hope. H2 plus Cl2 gives HCl. As both are 2 in number, put here 2, it is balanced. Okay. Next, magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Okay. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. MgO. Why MgO? Because Mg is plus 2, O is minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Two oxygens are there, two oxygens, two magnesiums are there, two magnesiums. Okay, next one. Aluminium oxide. Get ready. I will ask any one student, you have to say. Aluminium oxide. Next one I'm writing on the board, you have to say. First you copy this, all of you. Next one, magnesium plus oxygen gives aluminium oxide gives aluminium plus oxygen gas. Aluminium oxide gives aluminium plus oxygen. Who will tell this reaction for me? Anyone? Only one student.
Sir, I'll tell.
Al2.
Yeah, only one. Any one, I said.
Two.
Any one student.
2A2O3
So,
gave
Al2O3 gives what? Al plus O2. Okay, so here 2 you put, children. 2 2s are 4, 4, and 3 2s are 6, 6 oxygens. Okay, next. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. This is very easy. Okay, H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Balance the reaction too. Okay, next one. Next one. Methane gas plus oxygen gas. All of you copy down. Methane plus oxygen. Do you remember I told you in combustion methane on oxidation gives carbon dioxide plus water plus delta energy. Methane formula is CH4. All of you remember. Oxygen is CO2. Gives CO2 plus H2O. You have to balance the reaction. One carbon, four hydrogens, four hydrogens, 2 plus 2 here, 4 oxygens, put here 2, just balance. Next one, potassium hydroxide. Please check out.
Sir, you forgot hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide.
Yeah, I will check now. Okay, now thank you for telling. I forgot. Yeah, I will tell now. Please copy down, children. Yeah, 15th question, children. 15th reaction. I will say hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Yesterday we did not, children. This is acid plus base gives salt, sodium chloride plus water. Okay, so hydrochloric acid is HCl, NaOH gives what, children? NaCl and H2O. NaCl and H2O. It is balanced. No need to balance again. 16th question. Potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen bromide. Potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen bromide gives what? Potassium bromide plus potassium bromide. What did they give? Potassium bromide plus water. Potassium bromide plus water. Okay. Potassium hydroxide means KOH. Hydrogen bromide means HBr. So this both will react to form KBr. This is an acid. This is a base. Acid plus base is salt plus water. So 1Br, 1K, 1H, everything is balanced. 17th reaction I'm saying, all of you please see here. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Very easy. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Everyone please copy. C plus O2 gives CO2. Carbon dioxide. Next. Tin. Tin, anyone can say what is the formula for tin, children? Anyone can say what is the formula for tin? Can anyone say what is the formula for tin? Tin is what?
SN.
Yes, very good. Tin oxide, titanium oxide plus hydrogen gas. Titanium oxide plus hydrogen gas gives tin plus water. Okay. SNO, because children, tin oxide, what they gave? Plus 2 only they gave. They gave plus 2 or plus 3? Children, that is plus 2, yeah.
+2, sir.
Yeah, Sn is plus 2, O is minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So SNO plus H2 gas gives Sn plus H2O. Everything is balanced. Okay. 19th reaction. Just go to write your own word reaction and write down skeleton equation. Everything is balanced, children. So children, there is a one worksheet I have given, children. Anyone want any reaction in that? 15 reactions are there. Once go through 10 seconds, I'm giving time. Any reaction you want means in third worksheet, you ask me 15 reactions. No sir means I will stop the discussion. Okay, I have given third worksheet. Please go through. Anyone want any worksheet means you ask me. No one.